Tired of manually entering every single expense into Expensify? Feeling overwhelmed by a mountain of receipts? You're not alone. Let's dive into the simple and effective ways to forward your receipts directly to Expensify and reclaim your sanity. The easiest way is undoubtedly through email. Simply forward your receipt to email address removed. That's it. Expensify will automatically process the receipt and categorize the expense based on the information extracted. But what if you're dealing with multiple receipts? No problem. You can forward a batch of receipts in a single email. Just attach them all and hit send. Expensify's AI will work its magic and separate each receipt for you. For those who prefer a more mobile-friendly approach, Expensify offers a dedicated email address for each user. You can find this address within the Expensify app itself. Forward your receipts to this unique address, and they'll be automatically linked to your account. Want to get even fancier? Utilize Expensify's mobile app. Simply snap a photo of your receipt using the app's built-in camera. The app will then use image recognition technology to extract the key information, such as the vendor, date, and amount. If you're a frequent traveler, you can even forward your receipts directly from your hotel or rental car company to your Expensify account. Many businesses have already integrated with Expensify, making the process seamless. Remember, Expensify provides various options for customizing your receipt forwarding preferences. You can adjust settings for automatic categorization, currency conversions, and more. Explore the app settings menu to personalize the experience to your specific needs. With these simple methods, you can say goodbye to tedious manual data entry and hello to a streamlined expense reporting process. Now you can spend your time on more important things, like enjoying your next business trip. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.